Hello and welcome to this DJI tutorial video. This video will show you the 3 methods of taking off with the Spark. Starting with auto takeoff with DJI Go 4, then take off with the remote controller, and finally palm launch. Auto takeoff with DJI Go 4. Launch DJI Go 4 and tap Start Flight to enter the camera view. Complete all the steps on the pre-flight checklist. Tap the takeoff icon and confirm that conditions are safe for flight. Slide the slider to the right to confirm takeoff. The aircraft will take off automatically and hover 1.2 meters above the ground. Notes: the aircraft status indicators blink green twice, indicating that only the vision system has been used for the flight. The aircraft will automatically hover below 30 meters. It is recommended to wait until the aircraft status indicators blink green slowly before using the takeoff feature. Taking off with the remote controller. Push both sticks to the bottom inner or outer corners to start the motors. Once the motors have started, release the sticks simultaneously. Palm launch. To use gesture control, enable advanced gesture control needs to be turned on in DJI Go 4. When the aircraft flies indoor or the GPS signal is weak, allow indoor away and follow is disabled by default to enhance safety. It can be enabled in DJI Go 4. Power on the aircraft while holding it facing its nose. Wait for the aircraft's status indicators to blink green slowly. Make sure your fingers are below the aircraft's arms. After the front LEDs are solid red, press the Intelligent Flight Battery's power button twice, and the front LEDs will blink yellow slowly. FaceAware will start to work automatically. When FaceAware is activated successfully, the aircraft will beep twice. When the front LEDs become solid green, the motors start. If the front LEDs blink red twice, then FaceAware has failed. Please repeat step 2. After the motors start spinning, the front LEDs will turn solid red. Release the aircraft and it will hover in place. Thank you for watching.